School welcomes you for online training session. Today we are gathered here for the Nine Table Training Center. This is the first time we are conducting Nine Table Training Center, and the topic for this training is communication skill for standard 3rd. Agenda for this function is virtual lighting of lamp, welcome speech, address by headmistress, activities under 9 table training program, vote of thanks. Now we are going to conduct activities based on communication skill because today our training program is based on communication skill. So all the activities will be based on communication skill. So the first activity that we are going to take, that is introduction of communication skills, effective communication skill, gamification, methods to improve communication skill, group discussion, experience of the students, video, drawing activity, assessment and feedback. 9 table training communication skill. There are 9 table and there are different table is having different items, and the resource person is also different. So the table number 1 is introduction to the topic communication skill by Renu teacher. Table number 2, effective communication by Renu teacher. Table number 3, games with Nazia Ansari. Table number 4, methods to improve communication skill by Nazia teacher. Table number 5, group discussion by Renu teacher. Table number 6, experience of the students is also by Nazia teacher. Table number 7, video on communication skill by Renu teacher. Table number 8, drawing activity by Nazia teacher. And table number 9 is assessment and feedback by Renu teacher. Now we have a lighting of lamp. With the lighting of lamp, we have a prayer. So I request all the students to join your hands, close your eyes and stand straight. Before we start up any function, we start with a prayer song.
हीच आमची प्रार्थना, हेच आमचे मागणी. हीच आमची प्रार्थना, हेच आमचे मागणी. माणसाने माणसाशी माणसा समवागणे. हीच आमची प्रार्थना, हेच आमचे मागणे. वेश सारे संपुदे. धर्म जाती प्रांत भाषा वेश सारे संपुदे. एक निष्ठा एक आशा एक रंगी रंगुदे. पुन्हा कसरो मनावर शुद्धतेचे चांदणे. सारे माणसाशी माणसा समभावने. हीच आमची
Now welcome speech is given by Komal. Komal, start your welcome.
My name is Komal Diwalia of Standard 3rd. Would like to welcome you all for 9 table training. My first and foremost welcome goes to our founder President Sir. My sincere welcome goes to Mahika ma'am. My special welcome goes to Shubhangi ma'am, Rajina ma'am, Lakshmi ma'am and Pragati ma'am. I also welcome to all my teachers. Last but not the least, I welcome all my friends to conduct 9 table training. Thank you.
Thank you, Komal. Thank you for welcoming us. Thank you. Now we'll start with the table number 1. Before I start with table number 1, that is introduction of communication skill, I request Jyotika and Asmi to say few lines about it. Jyotika and Asmi.
Hi, Asmi. Hi, Jyotika. How are you? I am fine. Jyotika, what are doing? What about you? I am also fine. What are you doing? I am attending 9 Table Training Central.
Very now,
Lecture. Wow, it's great.
yes, very good, Jyotika and Asmi. Now, student, tell me what Jyotika and Asmi were doing. What they were doing?
They are
Talking with friends.
Talking with their friends.
friends.
And they are talking with the friends. Yes, when you talk with your friends, that what are they called? Communication. What are they called? Communication. Whenever you talk with your friend on phone or face to face, whether you're writing something and telling them, this is all about communication skill. Do you think communication skill is important?
Yes.
Why it is
Yes.
yes, very good. Communication skill is very, very important. Why it is important?
To share information.
Yes,
Share
very,
information.
very good, very good, very nice. Yes, communication is nothing but sharing the information, whatever you were saying, that is all part of communication. So today we are going to learn why the communication skills are important. Okay. First, we'll start with the table number 1, that is introduction of communication skill. Are you ready for table number 1? Students, are you ready? Yes,
Yes.
very good. Yes. First, we will understand the meaning of communication. What is communication? Communication is a dynamic process. It is very different process. Through this process, we convey a thought or feeling to someone else. Whatever we are seeing now, see Asmi and Jyotika, they were trying to talk. They were trying to get information from each other. That is also a process of communication. How it received depend on a set of events, stimuli that person is exposed to. Now, how to say? What you say play an important role in communication. Now, what you are saying and how you are saying, that play a very, very important role in communication. Now, we are going to see the definition of communication skill. Okay, communication is the process of sharing ideas, information and message with other in a particular time and place. Now see, Asmi and Jyotika was talking to each other. They were sharing their ideas. They were sharing the information at a particular time, wherever they might be. But they are able to talk to each other and get the information. Have you understood what is communication, everybody?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
If you have any doubt, you can ask to teacher. Okay. Communication includes writing and talking. Communication not only just saying, talking is communication. Through writing also you can talk. Now see, in the online session, you're sometime you want to say something, so you chat with the chat box with the teacher, right? That is also a type of communication. When you're chatting with your friend or you're writing something on the paper is also a type of communication. Okay, as well as non-verbal communication. Now, non-verbal communication, I'm going to explain you in the next slide. Communication is vital part of personal life, and it is also important in business, education, and other situations where people encounter each other. Any doubt in table number 1? Anybody is having any doubt in table number 1?
No.
No.
Before we start with table number 2, can I ask you a few questions? Are you ready to give me the answer?
Yes.
Yes. Communication. Only talking is a communication, or writing is also a part of communication?
Yes. Writing is also communication.
Yes.
Writing is
Very good.
also communication.
Yes, talking and writing is also a part of communication. Now we proceed with table number 2. In table number 2, we are going to talk about effective communication skill. Only talking is not a communication. Effective means very how you say, the volume of your speech. We cannot shout and talk to someone. We have to be very polite, very slow. You cannot shout and talk to anybody. You have to be very polite. That is called effective communication skill. Whenever you are talking to anybody, whether they might be small or big, you have to talk with them very softly, okay, and clearly. You cannot like this fast. You cannot say. You have to go very slow, so that other person will be able to understand what you want to say. Understood what is effective communication skill?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Effective communication is you have to talk slowly and clearly. Okay. Now, communication is a series of experience of hearing. See, whenever you are communicating, when you are talking to someone, you have to listen also. Students, please mute yourself. Students, please mute yourself. Hearing.
Okay.
Hearing. Communication is a series of experience of hearing. So whenever you are talking, whenever you are communicating with someone else, you have to listen. It is not that whatever you say that might be right. But the students, please mute. It is disturbing me. Please.
From ma'am side voice is coming.
Okay. Hearing. Hearing means whatever the other person is telling, you have to listen. Because whatever you listen carefully, if you're listening carefully, you will be able to understand what your friend is telling, what your mummy is telling, what your teacher is telling. I'll give you one more example of hearing. Whenever teacher is teaching you in the class, you have to listen what teacher is teaching, because after the lesson is over, teacher is asking you questions, right? Teacher is asking you question, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes. If you are not hearing properly, if you are not listening properly, you will not be able to give the answer what teacher is questioning you. So communication is also a part of hearing. You have to listen carefully. The second one is taste. Now, suppose if your friend has brought something in the tiffin, she tells you, taste this. I have brought I have brought burger. You just taste and tell me. So you are tasting. After eating, you are able to tell that friend, yeah, it's yummy. It is very tasty. So this is also a type of communication. Understood? Hearing, taste. Now we'll next go to touch. Now, what is touch? Can anyone tell me what is touch? How touch is connected with communication skill? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone think over it? If it is wrong answer, will do. Chalega, but your thinking process should increase. So, how you can communicate by touch? Can anyone tell me? Okay, I will tell you. Now, touch. How touch is related to communication. It is related to communication if your friend is calling you, but you have not listened what your friend is calling you. So, what your friend she will do, she will tap your this way. She will touch your body on your shoulder. So you will understand. Yeah, my friend is calling me. She's calling me. With the help of touch, you are able to understand that your friend is calling you. So touch is also a part of communication. It's also a part of communication. Now see. Now, how seeing is there? See, in the class also, in the online session also, teacher is showing you one object and teacher is telling you observe this object carefully and you have to say few lines about it. So what you're doing, you're seeing the object and you are sharing the information about that particular topic. Is also a part of communication. It's also a part of communication. Now smell. Now your mummy has prepared a very delicious something, very favorite, your favorite dish. With the help of the smell, you are able to identify what mama has prepared for you. So it is also a type of communication. It's also a type of communication. You smell it, wow, mommy, you have prepared this for me. So this is also a type of communication. Have you understood, everybody?
Yes.
Yes. Now, one more time, I will revise this. Communication is series of experience. Communication in how many ways we can communicate? By hearing, by taste, by seeing, by touch, and by smell. By 5 ways you can communicate to anybody, your friend, mommy, daddy, brother, sister, anyway. Which are the 5 things you can experience? You can communicate. Can anyone tell me which are the 5 things you can communicate? One by one. Students, listen. Students, give one by one. Don't give chorus answer. One by one. I know you have understood this topic. So give one by one. Okay? Chalo, Jyotika.
Hearing.
Very good. Wait, Jyoti.
Taste.
Okay, very good. Very good. Manthan. I think Manthan is there. Manthan. In which are the 5 ways you can communicate, beta?
Hearing, seeing,
Yes. Yes, very good. You can communicate in 5 ways. That is hearing, taste, seeing, touch, and smell. In these 5 ways, you can communicate to anybody. Now, communication skill. Communication skill is the ability to use language and express information. Effective communication skills are a critical elements in your career and personal life. Students, if I'm unable to communicate, I'm not going to tell anything to you. So you will understand what I want to say, what I want to share your ideas.
No.
No. So communication skill is very important in our day-to-day life. Every day we have to communicate. Without communication, without talking, can you stay? Can you stay?
No.
Oh, so communication is very important. And one more thing you keep in your mind, that communication is not only just talking in English, not in the Marathi. Communication can be in any language. It can be in any language. In your mother tongue also you can communicate. Okay, communication is, you can communicate in any language, but communication is very important and it is very useful in day-to-day life. Now, what are the communication goal? What are the communication goal? To change behavior. See, whenever you are communicating, you have to change the behavior. If behavior means, if you are very happy, so your behavior will be very happy, you will be very excited, your expression will change. Whenever you are sad, the communication behavior, the expression on your face will change. So your behavior change according to the situation, according to your behavior. Understood? To get action. I said now, when you are happy, you are too excited and the action changes. And whenever you are sad, the action automatically change. To ensure understanding, yes. To whenever you are communicating, You have to understand. See, I gave you the example of classroom situation. When teacher is when teacher is teaching you something, you have to understand. If you are unable to understand, you can ask question to teacher. Okay, if you are able to understand, you will be able to give the answer in the correct way to get and give information. If you are playing in a group, or if you have a group discussion and you are the leader and you think that whatever I say, that only is the final one. No, whatever the opposite person in your group, if other person is telling you something, you have to listen and you have to understand. Okay, communication is not one only person might be telling. See, now when I'm talking to you, I am talking to you also, you also communicating, even teacher is communicating. So communication is two-way process. Always communication should be two places. For example, now if I am only saying, you will feel bored, you will feel tired, you will feel sleepy. So always communication should be two-way process. Teacher also will say and you also will say. Very interesting, and you will understand what teacher wants to say. Everybody understood what are the communication goals?
Yes.
Is there any doubt? Anybody is having any doubt?
No.
No. If you have any doubt, children, you are free to ask me, okay? Because it is very different topic for you. Most common ways to communicate. See, I have already told you communication is not just speaking. It may be writing also. You can communicate through writing also. See, in the WhatsApp also, we are typing and you are reverting. In the MCQ questions on the exams also, you all are writing. That is also a part of communication. Okay? Visual image. Now I gave you the example of an object. Now teacher is showing you an object. You have to see that object and you have to share your information about a topic. That is called visual image. Visual image is also a type of communication. Body language. Very, very important. Body language. You should not show anger to anybody when you are communicating. Your body should be very peace, calm, happy. You should never shout to anybody when you are talking to anybody. Body language is also very, very important. If you want to become a very effective communication skill, your body language also play a very, very important role. So I request everybody, whenever you're talking to anybody, not only your friends, your brothers, your sister, family members, you have to keep your body language very cool. Okay, you should not show your anger to anybody. If you want to become an effective communication skill, if you want to develop effective communication skill. Now, type of communication. There are two type of communication. The first communication skill is verbal communication. Verbal means what we are saying. That is also a verbal communication skill. How many type of communication skill we have?
Two.
Two type. The first one is verbal communication. Verbal. Share information with other people. Now I am sharing whatever information I am having. So I am sharing to you. So this is called verbal communication. Spoken communication. Whatever I am speaking is also a spoken communication, is also a part of verbal communication. Face to face conversation. See, sometimes what happens when teacher is asking you some question or somebody is asking you question, you're keeping it down. And you have to face conduct. If in class your teacher is standing on the dais and keeping her head down and explaining you or talking to you, happy to listen what teacher telling you. Yes or no? No, you will not be feeling happy, right? So whenever you are talking, you have to keep face to face conversation. You have to Look into their eyes and talk to them. This is all about verbal communication. And the second part is non-verbal communication. Which is the second one? Which is the second type of communication? Non-verbal communication. Now, first one is gesture.
Non-verbal communication.
Yes, very good. Non-verbal communication. The first one in non-verbal communication is gesture. Gesture means your expression. Up case, see your face. If for the now a gesture and facial expression. Now I am sitting very quietly in one place. I'm sitting quietly. Now, how you will understand whether I'm happy or sad? How you will understand? If your friend is sitting quietly in one place, in one of the corner of the classroom, what you will understand whether the child is happy or sad?
Sad.
Sad. How you come? Very good. You come to know that my friend is sad today. So how you come to know whether she is sad? She has not communicated. She has not spoke. She has not told you. How you came to know that she is sad?
Expression.
Yes, very good. Expression. By seeing her facial expression, you're able to understand that my friend is sad. And then you will go and ask her. Then you are going to talk. You are going to use verbal communication. You are going to talk and ask what happened to your friend. Okay. Tone of the voice. See, sometimes when teacher is angry or if you are angry, your tone suddenly change. What happened? You say, right? And when you are very happy, so you say, what happened? Yes, right? So your tone also changes according to the situation. Okay? Eye contact. Yes, whenever you are communicating, you have to talk to eye contact. If you keep eye to eye contact, the opposite person feel relaxed. They feel in this very important that they have to listen to you. So eye to eye contact is very very important in both verbal also and non-verbal communication also. Body language. Yes, body language is a part of non-verbal communication. You have to keep your body language properly. See, you are very good in talking, you are very good in spoken, you are very good in expression, you are very good in eye to eye contact, you are very good in facial expression. Everything is good, but your body language is not good. So you cannot communicate. You are not an effective communicator. To become an effective communicator, all the important all the important things you have to keep in mind and you have to practice. Then only you can become an effective communication skill. You can improve your communication skill. So body language also play a very important role. Any doubt with table number 2?
No.
Any doubt with table number 2?
No.
I request Nazia teacher to proceed with table number 3.
Hello everyone. Hello. Now tell me. Yeah, would you like to play a game? Tell me.
Yes.
So now today I'm going to conduct a game. Okay, we will play a game on communication skills. Okay. Next. Yeah. Now our activity is guess emotion. Okay, our game name is guess the emotion. Here teacher is going to show you one picture as you can see on the screen. Okay, now you have to guess it. Now tell me.
Smile.
Happy.
When we are smiling, smiling
Happy.
that time we are smiling. Okay, like that, more images I will show you and then you have to guess it. Okay, now tell me. Fear. Can you tell me guess? Yeah?
Fear.
Yeah, fear. can see here, as you can see in this image, it is fear, right? Okay, now next. Now guess it fast. Angry students.
Angry.
Yeah. Okay, now check it. You are right or wrong. Yes, angry. Very good. You have guessed it properly. You have guessed it correctly. Okay, now.
Tired.
Then we are getting tired. Yes. Yes, very good students. You all are right. Tired. Yes. Okay, now. Yeah, now guess it.
Sad.
Okay, now let's check it. You are right or wrong. Yeah, very good. You all are right. Sad. Very good, students. Clap for yourself. You have done it very nicely. Very good. Very good.
Everybody has actively participated in this 9 table training. I'm very, very happy that students were very energetic, isn't it? So now it's time for prize distribution. It's time for prize distribution. Now, everybody has to clap for Vetam will do afterwards the prize distribution. Okay, we'll start with Vedant. Everybody clap for Vedant. Everybody give a big clap for Vedant for the active participation for 9 table training program. The next one goes to Komal. Very good. She spoke very nicely. Very good. Everybody clap for Komal. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Komal, well done. Asmi, give a big clap for Asmi. She also spoke very nice. Very good, Asmi. Very good. Keep it up. Jyotika. Give a big clap for Jyotika. Now, we have already completed table number 1, that was introduction. Table number 2, we have completed effective communication skill. And table number 3, we have completed game. So now we proceed to table number 4, methods to improve communication skill. I have already told there are so many methods, so many ways to improve our communication skill. But listening and writing does not matter, but you have to develop, to improve the communication skill. We need to practice. Without practice, you will not become a good communicator. So to develop this, to overcome this, we have to practice on daily basis. It is not that way one day you will practice, 2 day you will practice, 3 day after that you will not practice. No, communication practice, to improve the communication skill, you need to practice on daily basis. Now we are going to see which are the different methods to improve communication skills. Methods to improve communication skill. Communication skills have to be improved. So as a teacher, what we are going to do, must speak very clearly with good pronunciation. See, if the teacher is pronouncing in a wrong way, you also will learn in a wrong way. So whenever teacher is pronouncing, you have to listen carefully and you have to repeat that word again in a correct pronunciation way. Then only you will be improving your communication skill. For example, if you are unable to pronounce a particular word, so you can take the help of your parents, or your teacher. You should not pronounce it in a wrong way. This is the age where you should learn the correct pronunciation skill. If you are from third standard also, from third standard onwards, you are pronouncing the word in a wrong way, so that will carry till your lifetime. So this is a proper age where you have to pronounce the word in a correct way. Dictation. Everybody know dictation. Now teacher is going to say a word and you have to write. So before writing, what you have to do? Can anyone tell? In dictation, before writing, what you have to do?
Listen carefully.
Yes, very good. Listen carefully. If you are able to listen properly, if you have listened carefully what teacher has given the word, you will be able to write it. That is, verbal is listening and writing is a non-verbal. Okay? So both the communication should be important. If you listen wrong, you will write wrong. So dictation is hearing. Okay, that is sense of communication. Repetition of sentence is a must. See, from the birth only we don't know everything. So repetition, whatever word you are not able to understand, if you are not able to pronounce, so you have to repeat again and again. If you practice for 4 or 5 times, I'm damn sure that you will be able to pronounce it. So we have to do practice, repetition. We have to repeat the word or sentence again and again. Okay? New words have to be introduced and repeated with meanings and framing sentence using a new words. See, whenever you're watching videos or whenever you're reading textbook or you're reading storybook, magazine, newspaper, so many ways you're reading the things. Whenever we are reading, if some word you're unable to understand, you should not say let it be, chalo, let it be. No. What you have to do if you're unable to understand when you're reading, and if you're unable to understand, what you will do, students?
We ask to our parents.
Yes, okay. Now she's telling that. Okay. If you don't know a particular word, and if you don't know a particular word when you're reading your textbook, your storybook, anything, so you will take the help of your parents and clarify the doubt or find out the meanings. Second thing you can do is that you can use a dictionary. This is a proper age where you can use dictionary. Children dictionary you can use where you can see many pictures and colorful dictionary. Okay, you have to search the word in the dictionary, or you can find the meanings in the Google also. I think everybody are you are very familiar with this technology, right? So you can find the meanings in the Google also. Okay, students, but you have to find the meaning. As you should not say let it be, I'll see later on. No, on the spot, on the same time, you have to find the meaning. Then only your vocabulary will increase, your mind will increase, you will be able to write essay. So this all things are very very useful for communication. When talking also you will be able to how to talk, how to use different words, new words while communicating. Understood? So I think from today onwards, my third standard students are going to use dictionary. They are going to try to speak English, okay, with different new words. Listening to recorded dialogues. Yes, yes. Listening
Yes.
to recording dialogues and ask them to repeat the same. See, in the YouTube, there are so many dialogues, so many videos where you can listen and enact. Okay, there are so many videos, dialogue, conversation in the YouTube. So you can take the help of that videos also and you can enact at home. See now Jyotika and Asmi, they have done so good conversation. This is a very very important and this is the right age where you can do this. And I'm damn sure if you do practice for a month also, I know that you are going to, there will be lot of change in your communication skills. Every day you have to speak in English. If it is wrong also, if it is in a breaking part also, it's okay, but you have to take initial, you have to start speaking. One day you will make mistake, 2 days you will make mistake, 3 days you will make mistake, but finally one day you will be a very good communicator. You will be very good effective communication skill you will be developing in yourself. Okay, any doubt in improving of communication skill?
No.
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 Highlight new words and ask. You have to see whenever you are reading any word in the textbook or storybook, you have to highlight or you have to underline the word. After underlining, what you will do? After highlighting a word, what you will do? You will pronounce that word?
Take
Yes.
the dictionary.
Yes, very good. You have to use, if you are unable to find the meaning of, you are not getting that word, what is the meaning of that word, you will take the help of the dictionary. If you are unable to pronounce the word, you can take the help of your teacher, of your parents, brother, sister, and you are going to pronounce in a correct way. You are not going to pronounce in a wrong way. Okay, you have to pronounce in a correct way. And we can now, in the online session, we are conducting so many games to increase your vocabulary skill. Understood? To develop your
Yes.
Yes.
yes. Now you have to see here, it is written new words should be given from each subject. Students should maintain one notebook for new words. You have to maintain one notebook, or you can make a diary. You can make your personal diary. In that personal diary, what you are going to do? You can make at home also your diary with your waste paper. You can make the diary, and you can write the words, whichever word you are not able to understand. You will write that word. For example, pardon. Now you don't know what is pardon. So what you will do? You will take the help of the dictionary, and you will find out the meaning. Pardon means repeat. Teacher, can you pardon? Can you repeat this word again? I'm not able to understand. This is the meaning of pardon. So you will write that word, write the word and the meaning in your diary. Okay, your personal diary. And this word you are going to use, only writing and keeping in the diary will not make any use. You have to utilize in your day-to-day life. If you are not in the session, or sometime what happened, due to network issue, you are not able to hear what teacher is telling. So what you will say, teacher, can you pardon that word? Can you pardon that sentence? That means, teacher, can you repeat this word? Can you repeat this sentence? Understood? This is the way where you can develop your communication skill. Okay?
Okay.
And spelling games should be conducted in the class. Yes, teacher is conducting the spelling games. But in the Google, in Play Store also, there are so many games where you can download word puzzle, word quiz, searching of words, quizzes there, puzzles are so many things are there. You can take help of that also to increase the communication skill and to increase the vocabulary skill. Okay, you should develop vocabulary, many vocabulary words, because what happened when you go to 5th standard, 6th standard, 7th standard, you have to write a essay by yourself in your own word. You have to write essay. So this vocabulary word will be useful to write an essay. You're getting me, students, what I want to say?
Yes.
Yes. So you are going to do.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now there are 9 tips, because our topic is 9 table training center. So I have taken 9 tips to improve the communication skills. Which are the 9 tips we are going to look at? Watch films. Films means not a Hindi films or Marathi films. You have to see the films related to English. I know everybody is very familiar with their Marathi, Hindi. Okay, so I want you to watch films on based on English. Okay, so that you will learn new words, and you will make proper sentences, and you will be able to communicate in a very fluent way. Okay, use technology. Technology means what? Can anyone tell me what is technology? Can anyone tell me what is technology? Okay, I will tell you. Technology means you are using mobile, laptop, computer. This is all technology. This technology should not be used for other thing. For education purpose, you can use. And really, there are so many things, so many videos, so many games, so many things are there where you can really develop your communication skill. If If you target, if you think every day I will see one videos, dialogue, conversation, I'll play one word game, really I'm telling you that you will really, you will, they will be a very good, you will become a very good communicator, you will be very fluent in your English. Okay. Active listening. Yes, you should every time, whenever I have already told in the first session, you have to be active listener. Only what you will say, other people will not follow. What others are saying, that also we have to listen. We have to give the importance to everybody. You should not think I am a leader, whatever I say, I will, they have to follow. No, it's wrong. You will not become an effective communication skill, you will not develop that. To develop that, you have to active listening, you should develop listening skill. Group presentation, very very important. See, now these two children, they are doing group discussion, yeah, group presentation, that also play a very very important. Learning opportunity, you should have a learning opportunity. It should not happen that your mummy or daddy is telling you, look at the YouTube, watch this, read this, that. No, you, from the heart, there should be a learning opportunity. Yes, I want to learn, I want to learn English, I will do that. Learning opportunity if you have, and you will really develop the communication skill in you. Maintain eye contact. This I have already told. Whenever you are speaking to anybody, you should have a communication. You should have a eye contact. You have to keep eye to eye contact with the opposite person. Maintain body language is important. Yes, I have already told. Whenever you are talking, your body language should be calm. You should not show anger to other person through your body language. So body language is very very important in communication skill. Ask questions. Yes, that is very important. See, when teacher is teaching you in the class, teacher is telling you, if you are not able to understand anything, you ask one time, 10 times, 20 times. Teacher is ready to answer your, clear your doubt. Understood? You should have a courage to ask a question, and you have to ask. Okay? Then only your doubt will be clear. Record yourself. See, what you have to do, every day you take one object, anything. If you want to develop a communication skill, you take anything, any pictures, any object, anything you take and stand in front of the mirror and do the acting. See, you will understand. And you have to do record. You can do the recording in the mobile also. After the recording, you watch that recording where I have done the mistake, so next time you improve that mistake. Okay, you have to keep the recording, or you can stand near the mirror and you can become a teacher. So all these tips, really it will improve your communication skills. And I'm damn sure that all the students from standard 3rd, they are going to develop their communication skill, and they are going to follow this 9 tips of communication skill to improve their communication skills. Now I tell Nazia Miss to discuss about table number 5. Nazia Miss?
Oh, sorry, I was on mute. Yeah. So table number 5, group discussion. Okay, so discussion is also a type of communication. So in this table number 5, we are going to see group discussion by Jia and Samruddhi. Okay, so students, let's see how they are communicating with each other. Okay, start Jia and Samruddhi.
Hi, Jia. Hi, Samruddhi. What is communication, What is communication skills? Communication is the act of giving, receiving, and sharing information. In other words, talking, writing, listening, and reading. Oh, that's good. Is the communication skills useful in our life? Yes, of course. Communication skills are very important in our day-to-day life.
Thank you, Ji and Samruddhi. Very good. you have explained it very nicely that communication skills are very, very important. Not only for one day, 2 day, it is very, very important in our day-to-day life. Without communication, we will not be able to share any information. Okay?
Okay.
Nazia Miss, table number
Table
6.
number, yeah, now table number 6, experience of the students. Okay, so we are having few students, they are going to share their experience while communicating. They are facing some difficulties while communicating, so they are going to share their experiences. Okay, so Nishita, please share your experience to us. Hello, Nishita.
Nishita, you are there?
I think she is not there.
Nishita is
Yeah,
not there.
Nishita, na? She is
Okay.
not there.
Okay,
yeah,
Dia, can you share your experience?
Yes,
Okay, start.
I experienced difficulties while reading because of my poor vocabulary, poor memory skill, and poor logical thinking skills.
yes. Yeah, so you are having difficulties in reading, right? Am I right,
Yes,
Jia? Yeah. So
yes,
you can overcome from this problem by reading, right? You can read more books, you can read newspaper, magazines, so you can overcome from this problem. Okay?
okay.
Okay, now I request Yatharth to share their experience. Yatharth,
Yes, teacher.
share your
I explain difficulties while speaking English. I feel nervous and afraid for making mistakes while speaking English. Then my problem is lack of confidence.
Okay, Yatharth, so you are having difficulties in speaking, right?
Yes.
Lack of confidence. So what you can do, you can stand in front of mirror and start speaking. Okay. So definitely you will overcome from this problem. Okay. Yeah.
Now price distribution we have completed table number 4, 5 and 6 also. Give a big hand. Everybody clap for Vedant. Everybody clap for Vedant for active participation for the 9 table training center. Next, Gia. Give everybody clap for Gia. Everybody has to clap because she's your friend. She has spoken so nicely, so confidently. Okay. Next is Samruddhi. Everybody clap for Samruddhi. I cannot hear. Very good, Samruddhi. Very good. Now we are going to see on table number 7, that is video on communication skill. Why I'm showing this video of communication skill? Because now this is a video where you can see the communication skill, how the children are communicating with each other, which are the different words that you can use in our day to day life to communicate. In the same way, in the similar whatever videos I'm showing you, there are so many videos you can go through in your YouTube also, okay, to develop, to become an effective communication skill. So are you ready to see the videos?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Listen, before I start the video, I am going to play the video, but you have to listen it carefully, and after that I'm going to ask you question based on the video, so everybody has to pay attention. Okay?
Yes.
English Sing Sing. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. How are you? Fine, thanks. How are you?
Great.
Come in, please.
Nice to meet you. My name is Kate.
to meet you too. Sit down, please.
Thank you.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
How are you?
This is the music room.
I'm fine, thank you.
Wow, they are good.
How are you?
La 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 la.
Ha! That's the school library.
Wow, many books.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Mr. Kim.
My name is Kate. How are you?
I'm great. Nice to meet you, Kate.
Hello. Hello, Sally. What's this? It's a book. What's that?
It's a box.
Wow! Wow, what's that? It's a pencil. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, pizza. Look, they do taekwondo.
Wow. Who is he?
He is my taekwondo teacher.
She
Yes, what Becky?
is wonderful. Wow, who is she?
I don't know. Mike, is she your mom? Yes, she's my mom.
Let's sing a song together.
Great! I can't sing.
La 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 la.
What time do you get up? I get up at 6. I go to school at 7:30. Wow, you're an early bird. Thank you.
Okay, sorry, huh? Okay, beta, wait. Okay, fine. Just a minute, okay?
Okay, miss.
Welcome, everyone. Happy birthday. This is for you. Thank you. Yes, I can. Can you jump? No, I can't. Look, I can dance. Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Wow, a talking bird. How old are you?
How old are you?
I'm 5.
I'm 5. I'm 5.
Wow, he's cute. Wow.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, my big sister is 8. Is she okay?
How smart.
I like Mr. Smith. Me too. Do you like baseball? No, I don't. I like soccer. Me too. Let's play soccer. Good. Let's go. Okay. Mike, let's play soccer. Sorry, I can't. Okay.
Ah!
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Mr. Smith.
Hello, everyone. I like soccer too.
Wow, Gimbob.
Do you like cheese?
Yes, I do.
Do you like ham?
No, I don't.
What's that?
It's a kimchi sandwich.
It's good.
Mom, I'm hungry. Do you like kimchi? Yes, I do. I like kimchi. It's good. Thank you. I'm sorry. That's okay. Cheese. Kimchi. Thank you. Do you have crayons? Yes, I do.
Now we have completed table number 7, and table number 7 was basically on videos of communication skill. Now suppose if you are watching a video, okay, any video, any education video, dialogue, conversation, whatever you are doing. So two thing is beneficial. One is conversation. You can listen what the animation videos. You have to see animation videos so that it will be you will be happy to see the animations video, because you all are too small. So you have to see animation videos. Okay, you can listen carefully and you can repeat the word. And suppose during the videos, when you're watching videos and you are unable to understand a particular word, so what you will do, students? Can anyone give me the answer? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Now listen.
Yes.
I'll repeat the question again. If you're watching a video, okay, and while watching the video, if you're unable to understand a particular word, so what you will do?
Ask to parents.
Yes, you can ask
We
your
watch video
Again.
what?
We watch video again and again.
Okay, you will watch again and again the videos if you are not able to understand the concept of the word, that video. So you will watch it again and again. If you don't know a word, particular word, you will take the help of your parents. And one more thing I have already told you. What you are going to take? Take the help of the
Parents.
no dictionary. Very good. We are going to take the help of the dictionary. But you have to find the meaning on the spot. You cannot say, chalo, I'll do it later on. No. On the spot, you have to find out the meaning of the word. Then only you will able to understand the, you will be able to be a effective communicator. Okay. And through this video, see, something is written when the video is been played. Something is written on the video. What is that? What you can do with that? While watching the videos, when you're watching the videos, you're watching the, huh? Anybody? Chalega. If wrong answer will do, chalega, never mind. But you have to give the answer. Huh? I'm not getting you.
Reading.
Yes, very good. Sentences are there on the screen. You can read also. Understood? So, videos are very useful for listening, for repetition, for reading the sentences. So, from today onwards, every day, instead of playing games on the mobile, you can use videos, you can play a game where you can develop their communication skill, you can develop your vocabulary skill, you will be able to pronounce the word in a correct way. So you have to, you instead of playing game, you utilize that time in such thing. And as Pragati Miss already told in the second session that we have, this is the right age where you can develop the communication skill of English. When you reach to 5th standard, 6th standard, you will feel hesitate. If somebody will laugh at you, if you say a sentence, I am in a wrong sentence. If you say the word in a wrong way, so somebody will laugh at you. So this is the right age where you can start learning the sentences, and teachers are there to guide you, to correct you. Okay, but from today onwards, you are going to try to develop the skill. You are going to use different methods. I have given you 9 methods to improve communication skill. So all these methods you are going to use it, and you are going to develop your communication skills. Okay, the 9 table, I hand over to Nazia Miss to discuss about the 9 table.
Yeah. Table number 8. Table number 8 is drawing activity. Okay. So here two pictures are there. Yeah, as you can see on the screen. First one is communication, and second one is, as you can see here, two girls are reading. Okay. So these are the two topics. You have to choose any one topic. Okay, and draw it very nicely. And if you want to give any message related to our topic, related to communication skills, you can write on it and send it to me in my personal WhatsApp group. Okay.
This is the
after
activity you have to do. You have to draw in your drawing book any two from this two topic, from these two pictures. If you want, I will send this in the WhatsApp. Looking at this picture, you can draw and color it, and you can put any message regarding regarding to communication skill. You can WhatsApp me on my personal number. Okay? Have you understood?
Yes.
What standard?
Yes.
Yes. Now we have the last table, that is assessment and feedback. As you know, after the revision, after the teaching session is over, teacher is taking revision through playway method or MCQ question. Teacher is asking you, teacher is playing a game. Why teacher is doing all this? Teacher wants to know whether you have understood the topic or you have not understood the topic. If you have not understood the topic, teacher will teach you again. If you are able to participate in various revision method and you are able to give answer, that means you have understood the topic. So now it's time for assessment for the students and feedback for the parents. Even parents should have some give feedbacks for this particular topic. Okay, now we have assessment time. I will send the link in the chat. You know how to open the chat now?
Yes.
Yes.
Now you all are giving exam, so I think everybody is aware how to open the link and do it, right?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So are you ready?
Right.
Are
Yes.
you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I'll send you. Okay, wait just a minute, I will send you the link. And even I will open it, okay, and then we will discuss this. You got the link? Everybody got the link?
Yes.
Yes. Open the link. Everybody open the link. You have opened the link, beta? Nazia miss, can you open the link and read out the question? Nazia miss,
Yes, miss. Yes. Wait a
can you
minute.
open the link and read out the question so that we will understand whether the child has understood the topic or not?
Yeah. Give
I'll send.
meanings of unbroken. Yeah, I think this one is different
Achha.
question paper.
Okay,
Yeah.
wait. What happened, Nazia?
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, I think this one is English paper.
Okay, wait. Just a minute, huh? Okay, wait. Children, open this link, okay? Now I'm sending in the WhatsApp. Please open that in the chat box. You got this link? Last one is 8. Okay. Should I start? You are able to open that link? Students, you are able to open the link?
Yes.
Okay, now I will read out the question and you have to give me the answer so that
Teacher, I have not got link.
नंदनी बेटा, it is there in chat box. Chat box जरा search करो. मिला तुम्हें? स्क्रीन पे जो लास्ट 3 डॉट है ना, उसमें चैट बॉक्स है.
Yeah, all of you got the link. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, start it then. Click on the link.
Okay,
Nadia,
should I
fast,
read the
fast.
question for you? Should I read the question for you?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. So, Neha, you're able to record this now? Neha?
About that link so that everyone can see. Share slide.
Okay, should everybody can see on my screen?
Hello.
Everybody can see the question paper on the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now we will start, okay? Are you ready for this? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, the first question is, state the given statement true or false. It is important to develop communication skill. True or false?
True.
Yes, very good, very good, very good. Communication skill is very, very important. Very good. The second question is, which of the following is a type of non-verbal communication? Letter,
Body
body.
language. Body
Very
language. It's a
good, very
body
good.
language. Body language.
Yes, very good. Body language. Non-verbal communication is a part of body language. Very good, very good. Communicating using your mouth. Calibration, context, oral या non-verbal. Oral, yes, you communicate from your. Yes, very good, very nice. Whenever we are talking, that is oral communication. Yes, very good, students, very good. Exchanging of ideas between two or more persons is understanding, telling, speaking, or communication.
Communication.
Yes, that's good. That's good. Exchanging of ideas.
Communication.
Yes, very good, students. Exchanging of ideas between two or more people is called communication. Very good, communication. Effective communication is considered as a kind of dash key. Hard, soft, rough, short.
Soft.
Yes, I have already explained you. Very good, very good. That means you have understood the concept. You have understood the training program. Okay, very good. Usually it is said that communication is non-stop. Plan, programming या process. Process. Communication is a non-stop process. It never gets end. It is a long-term process. Very good, very nice. Effective communication is essential. One-way process, both a one-way or two-way process, or two-way process. Very good, my intelligent. Very intelligent. Yes. Both a one-way or two-way process. Very good, very nice. Which of this is a communication skill? Talking clearly, chewing gum, or looking bored?
Talking
Yes,
clearly.
very good. My third standard children are very intelligent. Very good, very good. Ninth one is, which of this is an effective communication skill? Listening to what people say, talking at the same time as someone else.
Listening to what people say.
Very good.
Listening to what
people say. Very good, very nice. Which of this is not a communication skill? Running, texting, chatting to people.
Running.
Very good. Now you have to solve this and submit it. Okay. And I'm going to send the feedback form also for your parents. You tell your parents to fill them and send it back. Okay. I request all the parents. Very good. I request all the parents to sit along with the kids. And I'm going to send the certificates in the WhatsApp group. Okay. You can take it from that. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Yes, yes.
Sir, you want to share something?
Yeah, definitely. Means parents are there. First of
Yeah,
all,
yeah.
respected founder president Dr. R. Varadarajan sir, his novel ideas. I can speak in Marathi or Hindi. Which
चलेगा
language is
sir, Marathi. I think they are more familiar with Marathi. So you can
okay?
speak.
Marathi, Hindi, both language I'll be.
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
पेरेंट्स आपको नमस्कार. हमारे प्रेसिडेंट सर वरदराजन सर, डॉक्टर आर वरदराजन सर, फाउंडर प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ऑल द 69 इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स NESS ग्रुप. आज त्यांच्यामुळेच आपण हा सगळा प्रोग्राम जो आहे ना तो अतिशय उत्कृष्टरित्या सादर केलेला हा प्रोग्राम आपण पाहिलाय. बेसिकली 9 टेबल ट्रेनिंग. व्हॉट इज दिस 9 टेबल ट्रेनिंग? म्हणजे आम्हाला माहित नव्हतं की 9 टेबल ट्रेनिंग काय असतं. पण आज तुम्ही पाहिलं इथे की एक कन्सेप्ट कम्युनिकेशन स्किल नावाचं एखादा छोटस युनिट असेल इंग्लिश लँग्वेज मधलं, तर त्या छोट्या युनिटला वेगळ्या पद्धतीने अलग अलग तरीकों से कैसे सारे स्टूडेंट्स को बताया जा सकता है और स्टूडेंट्स कैसे उसे सीख सकते हैं और कैसे प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं और खुद अपना आत्मविश्वास कैसे बढ़ा सकते हैं, ये हमने आज देखा. आई एम वेरी मच प्लीज्ड. बहुत खुशी है, बहुत आनंद है. इन बच्चों ने जिस जोश के साथ ये सारी चीजें की, मतलब जो क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन था, मार्वलस मार्वलस रियली. क्योंकि उन्होंने उनका जो एंथुजियाज्म था, मतलब उनको जो चाह थी कि मेरा आंसर मुझे मालूम है, मैंने किस किस तरीके से पेश करना है, तो काबिले तारीफ था. आणि या सगळ्या पॅरेंट्सला मी धन्यवाद देऊ इच्छितो. कारण अशा तिचं जे ट्रेनिंग चालू आहे ना, ते या सगळ्या आयडियाज जे आहेत त्या सरांच्या आयडियाज तुमच्या पॅरेंट्सच्या सपोर्टनेच या व्यवस्थितपणे इम्प्लिमेंट होतात. आणि हा मुलांची जी कॉन्फिडन्स लेवल वाढलेली आहे ना, ते आपण बघतोय. मगाशी मध्येच टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लेम होता, त्यामुळे म्हणजे जो व्हिडिओ दाखवत होता 7th पॉइंट, तर तो पॉइंट मध्ये ना त्या व्हिडिओमध्ये मध्येच कुठेतरी प्रॉब्लेम आलेला. आणि त्यावेळेस देखील मुलांनी अतिशय करेजियस वेनी, म्हणजे एकदम धैर्याने त्यांनी सांगितलं की नाही नाही तुमचा आवाज येत नाही सेकंड टाइम व्हिडिओ चालू झाल्यानंतर. हे जे धैर्य, हा जो कॉन्फिडन्स आहे, हा जो आत्मविश्वास आहे, हा मुलांमध्ये जो निर्माण झालेला आत्मविश्वास आहे ना, हा फक्त आणि फक्त अशा प्रकारच्या ऍक्टिव्हिटीजमुळे निर्माण झालेला आहे. आणि ऑफकोर्स सगळ्यात महत्वाचं म्हणजे पॅरेंट्सचं जे सपोर्ट आहे ना, या ऍक्टिव्हिटीज कॅरी करण्यासाठी देखील. आता ऑनलाईन सेशन चालू आहेत, या ऑनलाईन सेशन मध्ये पॅरेंट्स आपल्या मुलांना बसवतायत, त्यांच्याकडनं प्रिपरेशन करून घेत आहेत, घरी त्यांचं तयारी केली जाते, मॉनिटरिंग होते. आणि अशा नॉट ओनली दिस 9 टेबल ट्रेनिंग ऍक्टिव्हिटी, या सगळ्या ऍक्टिव्हिटीज मध्ये पॅरेंट्स तुमचा जो सहभाग आहे ना, तो खूपच सुंदर सहभाग आहे. आणि त्यामुळे हे सगळं शक्य होतं.
Children, you understood what is communication skill?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Thank you to
Yes,
Renu
teacher.
teacher. Thank you to Renu teacher and all other teachers who is working hard to develop your extra skills. Not only studies, textbooks you are studying, notebooks you are studying, workbooks you are studying, and you are writing the exam. This is all academic side. But you have to develop your personality development to face the challenges in the world. When you'll go for inter-school competitions, you will see like your age, there are many school children will be coming. But you may be thinking some of the students, they are speaking very fluent English. Okay, sometimes we feel so nicely they are speaking, I should also learn like this. So teachers are helping you now during this lockdown period. This is the extra time you have to learn all extra knowledge, improve your different skills. Okay, God has given you time, so this is the correct time. You are the children now. When you'll go to secondary section, you will conduct assembly so fluently, then the headmistress ma'am will say, the primary children are so good, they have learned so good English in primary, now they are entered in secondary section. Do you want good name when you will enter in secondary section?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
teacher.
always we have to try for good name. Okay, so this is the time you should learn. You are studying in English medium schools, so it is a moral responsibility. You have to speak in English. Now third step, and you people are so lucky. 9 table training we have started with 3rd standard, because next year you will be going to the 4th standard. You will be the biggest children in primary section, so that you will guide all other standards. third standard, second standard. That's why we have chosen you people. So now you understood the importance of English, isn't it? So all the teachers are there for you to correct. No problem if you speak wrong English. Nobody will beat you. Nobody will shout you. We are there to correct your sentences. So everybody, from today you will speak in English. Understood? Thank you, children, for attending this session, and thank you all the teachers for conducting so nicely with so many activities. You made the concept easy to understand. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Pragati Miss. Thank you.
Thank you.
Miss, should I start with the Vedant? Can you propose vote of thanks, Vedant?
Yes.
Start.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Vedanta Mapatai. He's proposed the vote of thanks. My first and foremost thanks goes to our founder president, sir, for giving us an opportunity to conduct 9 table straight. Thank you, sir. My special thanks goes to our Mahika ma'am, Shubhangi ma'am, and Regina ma'am, Lakshmi ma'am, and Pragati ma'am. My sincere thanks goes to all my teachers, but last not the least, I thanks all my friends. They the wonderful participant. Once again, I thanks one and all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vedant. Thank you, Vedant.